Meaning of field trip.
Field trip.
Field trip.
Field trip.
Field trip. A field trip is a planned educational excursion outside of a classroom or usual learning environment. This can involve visiting places such as museums, historical sites, or natural landmarks to provide hands-on learning experiences that complement classroom instruction. The goal is to enhance student learning and understanding by providing real-world examples and experiences. Field trips allow students to interact with the subject matter in a meaningful way, sparking curiosity and engagement. They can leave a lasting impact on students, promoting deeper learning and appreciation for the world around them.